Pipo, we greet you now. Welcome now specially to this our channel. We are not saying our latest updated updates. Now we dey carry come for this channel. So I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. I beg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una.
E don settle. Senator Orji Uzor Kalu cry like baby for Senate house unto wey Senate president no take reach im hand. Make una come carry una senator o. The race for the 10th assembly don dey cause gbege since o for inside Senate house. Senator Orji Uzor Kalu don vex clear im mind. According to am, e tok say Nigeria and government kpakpa no dey fair at all upon wetin im don do. Dem still dey investigate am, dey carry am dey waka, dey go kirikiri and everywhere. Hey, no be small tin o. Im tok plenty tins o. Tok say government no dey fair to am at all. To the ex ten t sef e begin shed tears for inside the Senate house. Hey, my people, no be small drama o. Make I leave una now, make una watch the video.
I went through one of my best time in life in the Senate, and I also went through.
Other persons still react to this same matter o. How INEC take for Nigerians dey handle. Anyway, my people na lis ten to wetin this man talk.
Also in this Senate, before I came to the Senate, before I came into politics, I can buy anything body can buy. I'm not a thief. Those that put me in prison, no treason, they put me in prison. They took over all my businesses and want to kill me. But I survived it. I'm in the Senate with you people. It's not the end to what we have done. It's not the end to United Nigeria. It's not the end to Brothers Keeper. But these senators I called were with me. I never lacked. When the PDP that I was governor for 2 terms was being formed, I brought every money they used in forming that party. Every penny in 1997 and 98. And I later became a thief. And people I gave transport money from my house in VI became angels. This is what Nigeria represents. I want to thank my colleagues for giving me these 4 years of uninterrupted support. Because this country is not fair to so many of us. I built this country, I employed 13,800 workers. People employ nobody. And nobody asks them their source of wealth. I have 3 factories in Lagos, Nigeria. I have 2 factories in Ota, build manufacturing. I have 3 factories in Aba, manufacturing. And I'm a thief. And people that cannot explain where their source of wealth come from, they are not thieves. I leave everything in the hands of God. May God be the judge.
Thank you very much.
Hey, my people, no be small thing o. Hey, see drama, no be small. This man dey vex o. Oh, you feel so disappointed. Oh, anyway, people, on the update wey we carry come for una today, wetin dey happen, wetin dey shele for inside Senate house. Make una drop una comment and una say una reason am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video.